Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. The first method is update WhatsApp desktop. So guys, click open Microsoft Store and type WhatsApp and click to hit enter. Then this is open. So coming any update like here. Now this is updated. That's why it's not show update tab. Okay, so close it. Next, restart your computer. Something simple. Restart your computer can resolve expected issues. All close the application and then restart your computer. Next, reinstall the WhatsApp desktop. Okay, so again open the Microsoft Store. Otherwise, click to start. Go to setting, app, install app. Scroll down. Click to 3 tab, uninstall, then again go to uh, Microsoft Store and search, again install it. And next guys, repair. So same, come in the install app, click to 3 tab, advanced options, scroll down, firstly click to reset, then guys click the repair and then close. Next, check your antivirus and firewall settings. So if you using the antivirus, so temporary base, turn off the firewall. Otherwise you not use, open Windows security. Otherwise you can search here Windows security. It's come Windows Defender, virus and threat protections, virus and threat protection. Click to manage, turn off real-time protections to yes. Okay, and then again click to start, type control panel, then click to security and system, Windows Defender firewall, turn off firewall defender and click to turn on for testing purpose. Okay, then close it. Upgrade your display drivers. So right click to Windows icon, click to device manager, then click to display adapter and right click to update your, if you're using graphic card, not using, so update your graphic. Update it, scan and malwares in your system. So open Windows Defender, means Windows security, click to virus and threat protection, scan options, and select Windows Defender antivirus offline scanner. This is minimum 15 minutes to take. Click to scan now. Okay, then next option, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second
Second, also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.